Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Algorithm Minds. In this channel, I teach programming skills in Python, MATLAB and R programming. I also teach theoretical concept as well as practical programming skills in data science, data analysis. So I request you to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell icon button so you can get the notification as soon as I publish a new video. So I'm started to publish a series of tutorial videos on R programming, and this series of tutorial videos are specifically designed for those people who are quite new with R programming and they want to learn R programming from scratch. So today we are going to exercise a concept, or the topic is solve system of equations in R programming. It's a quite simple code and you will be able to adjust that code easily. So I will be going to explain that code bit by bit, step by step. So this is the problem definition we have here. We have like three system of equations: equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3, and the number of unknown variables in these equations are 3, x, y, z. You can see that. Okay, so equation 1 has like 3x plus 2y plus z is equal to 10, x plus 4y plus 2z is equal to 15, and finally the equation is 3, which is x plus y plus z is equal to 8. Now we are going to solve this system of equation for this unknown variable that will satisfy the set of equations. It's quite easy to do. First of all, we are going to load the package mass by using this R statement here, library. Within those round brackets, we are passing the package name, which is mass. Let me just run this block of code for you. Once we done that, now we are going to create a matrix A, which correspond to the coefficients of x, y, z in a specific equation. Okay, you can also verify that or see that like 3, 2, 1 are the coefficients of equation 1, and 1, 4, 2 are the coefficients of equation 2, and similarly 1, 1, 1 are the coefficients of equation 3 for x, y, z. Now we are passing this matrix. Here we are defining n rows is equal to 3, which means that the matrix we are going to create will contain 3 rows, and we are setting by row is equal to 2, which means that you take first row and put it in the matrix first row. You take this elements from the second row and put it in the matrix of second row, and so on for the third row. So that doing that, we are able to create a matrix A that has a coefficient of equation 1, 2, 3. And finally, we are going to create constants, define the constants on the right hand side of the equations. These are the constants. So we are going to define it by using B, then sign, then C. Within those using this function C, and within the round bracket we are passing input arguments 10, 15, 8 to create the constants. Once we done that, now we are going to create the solution. We are going to calculate those values, x, y, z values, which will satisfy this set of equations. So how we are going to do? We are going to initialize a variable named solution. Then we are going to create it by using G inverse, and within the round bracket we are passing A as an input argument. Here G inverse function is used to calculate the generalized inverse or Murray-Penrose inverse. And here percentage steric percentage into B represents a matrix multiplication. So that's is that simple. So we will calculate the G inverse of the coefficients and we multiply by B by using matrix multiplications. Once we done that, we are simply going to use cat function that prints the value in a clear and more readable format, and we will print the value of x, y, z. So x is equal to will be so let me just run this block of code for you. Once we done that, we have actually calculated the values of x, y, z that are stored in the solution in the form of list, and finally we are going to print its value by using cat function. I hope this tutorial have been helpful to you. I request you to subscribe to my channel, because in the upcoming tutorial videos I will be posting more about R programming and working with the different packages of R that are quite well known. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching this video, and I will catch you soon in the next video.